in there this morning. I think they maybe just have coffee. No, they might have breakfast. So we're gonna see what they have. Oh, I smell stuff. There's definitely food out. So we're gonna have some coffee and maybe walk around the resort this morning. I'm just walking along the boardwalk this morning. Ooh, sun is bright. A little later on today, we are checking in over there to the yacht club. You can see the water slide over there, beach club, friendship boat. Just kind of walking around, trying to explore a little bit this morning, see what else is at this resort since I didn't look at a lot of stuff yesterday. I am still walking along the boardwalk here. I thought I'd show you where our room is. It's like basically right up in that top corner over there, I think. I think we're on the very end, overlooking the big shop. But I think I'm gonna head back soon and we're gonna have breakfast at the club level lounge. So we have just checked into the yacht club and we have come into the pool for a little bit. Here at Stormalong Bay, which is one of the best pools here on property. So trying to find a seat. Hopefully it's somewhere in the shade. But it is a very nice pool area. They have like behind me, they have like a beach that has sand bottom, and then there's also a lazy river and a bar. Lots of stuff going on in this pool. So I just got to my room. I just filmed a resort tour, which I am going to put up in a separate video. And basically gonna get ready. We spent some time at the pool, just lounged around a bit. I still have like a killer headache. I've had a killer headache all day. So I'm gonna try and take some like Advil or something. Definitely need to eat lunch. I have not had anything in a very long time. So gotta eat. I'm gonna shower, try and get ready. It is almost 2 o'clock and we have the Halloween party we're gonna try and leave around 4-ish. Still gotta eat. So anyways, that's what's gonna happen. And then yeah, we're going to Mickey's Halloween party tonight. I think I might do a separate video. I might just keep it in this one because I haven't filmed a lot of stuff today. We really haven't done anything yet today, but trying to keep it relaxed. So I might just put it in this video and then hopefully we'll get some good stuff at the party tonight. We just made it to Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary party tonight. We got our Fool's Night Out shirts on and we are ready to hit up the party. I'm walking into the MK. It's not quite party time yet, but almost. We're walking down Main Street. So we ended up ordering some dinner. We placed a mobile order for Petco's Bill. So we are gonna head there first. It is, what time is it? Just past 3:30. We're gonna get something to eat before the party starts. Okay, for dinner they just changed up the menu at Petco's Bill. So I got one of the new rice bowls with pork. It's supposed to be green chili pork and cilantro lime rice, I think. Woo! Stuck on the ride. Stuck forever. We're so dark. We are now using our lightning lane for Space Mountain. We are now heading on to Tron. We are now headed over to Tiana's. Ooh, that sun though. We just took a big group photo with all of us in the main hub, and now we are kind of dispersing tonight for the party. So first up, we're gonna try and see what the line is like on Tiana's around just 6 o'clock now. So the park is technically closed for day guests. So we're gonna see how the line is at Tiana's.
Hopefully not long because it's hot.
It is hot.
Y'all got itty bitty little money.
Choo-choo said it's time.
We're now going on Big Thunder. We got the whole train with the crew.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Saw the hitchhiking ghost. So we just did a bunch of rides. We did Tiana's, we did, I don't even remember when I last filmed. We did Big Thunder. We just did a couple of trick-or-treat trails, and we just saw the hitchhiking ghost. Now I think we're gonna head and get some food to eat. So we've just done a couple of treat trails, and now I think we're gonna head to Pinocchio's Village House area to get some dinner or something. Some sort of food and maybe some snacks, some specialty items from the Halloween party. Treats, treats. Hello, thank you.
Feel free to enjoy the scare conditioning. Feel free to stick around for a while.
Yeah, or you know what? You know what? Something sad. I think there's a lady in timeout.
Oh.
Yeah.
Aw.
Yeah, they put her all by herself.
It's okay. She has candy. She's not alone.
So we've just been doing lots of rides. We are hot.
It's warm. I'm sweaty.
I'm so sweaty. I feel like there's a very big difference between the beginning of the party and now, which is like 10 o'clock. We still have a lot of time to go.
I swear we looked put together at the start.
We did.
Take our word for it.
We just did a bunch of stuff. We did Space Mountain, which I can't film because it was in the complete darkness. And we did a bunch of treat trails, and now we were gonna do Pirates, but it was down. So we're actually gonna head over to Haunted Mansion right now because they have kind of like a little overlay for the ride.
adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
We are now heading into Pirates, finally. Opened back up. So we're headed in.
What may I offer for these hearty hens? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Belay there, you bilge rat.
Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. To see the
So we just rode Pirates and now we are gonna wait for the parade. It is it's just past 11. I think the parade starts at 11:15, so we got 10 minutes till the parade. And then I don't know what we're gonna do after. We might leave, we might go on some more rides. I'm not sure yet.
Hey everybody, one night food! Wow! Wow! I scared myself. Tell me, partner! Oh, to you too! Hey, Jim! Are you gonna eat that? I know candy's all sticky and sweet and bad for the teeth. But what can I say? Beats broccoli.
So I just got back to my room from Mickey's Not So Scary. It is very late right now. It is 12:30. I ended up walking over 24,500 steps today. It was a long day and we didn't even really do anything this morning. We went to the pool and relaxed a bit, but we have another full day. We actually have to be up at like 6 something tomorrow because we are going on a tour of the Disney Wish. So I am going to have a quick shower and hop into bed and get up for another full day of Disney stuff tomorrow. Thanks again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.